Hola amigos y amigas, I'm Leila, also known as Ms. Bohemia, and I'm jumping right into it today, straight into telling you what I'm using, Soultanicals, specifically the Master Hair Cleanse Curl Detox. My previous video featured the Ayurvedic hair oil as I started my wash day using that as a pre-poo / hot oil treatment, and we're continuing today with the second part of my wash series where I get to wash my hair. Now, this didn't specifically state that it's a shampoo, but given that it's a cleanse and a master cleanse at that, and it has clay in it, and it's listed under the shampoo section of the website, I would go ahead and use it as a cleanser. I haven't washed my hair, so I'm going to see how this performs to cleanse my hair, given that I do have buildup, although not really so much buildup because I'm coming off a whole Soultanicals situation, and I do so well with Soultanicals that whatever's in my hair is really not super buildup-y. You know what I mean? Ooh, this is very herby smelling. It's also just like Mama Earth natural. Look at it. So it's definitely clay-like. I'm gonna delve right in. First, I always scrape off whatever's on the lid because I don't want to waste anything. It's pretty thick and very clay-like, muddy type feeling. It's kind of tacky, so I mean it has slip, but it's not like woo super slippy. It just has a very earthy smell. I can't for the life of me know where to begin to describe it, but I like it. I like the scent. The earthiness of Soultanicals products is a scent that I like. It's so dark going on the light hair. So it's not a slip situation at all. Like when I'm putting it on my hair, it doesn't really feel very slippy. Oh my god, am I gonna like soil my shirt? I didn't think about that. I didn't know it was gonna be this color. I'm finding I have to use quite a bit because it doesn't have that amount of slip to it. Oh my god. It feels like it has granules. Granuly, but natural. So I'm really curious to see how this is gonna work in the hair. You can leave it, I think the instructions said 30 minutes to an hour. I'm probably just gonna do 30 minutes because I have pretty high porosity hair, and most stylists will tell you that all it really takes is about 30 minutes to really pack product into the hair, especially if you're applying heat. This has changed my hair color. If you're going gray, if you're blonde, put this on. I'm really curious to see though. Is it gonna stain my hair? I wouldn't think so, but we'll see. Plastic cap. Time for my hot hit. This is that to truly benefit from the whole treatment process, you want to do this for about 4 to 6 weeks to fully detox your hair. So I don't know. I'm obviously not going to do this experiment on camera for 4 to 6 weeks. Let's see how I do with it, and then I would gauge from there if I would do it every week for 4 to 6 weeks or if I just do it monthly. We shall see. And the verdict is, you know, it actually feels good. My scalp, I was very skeptical. I've never tried any form of clay type of detoxes and cleanses. I've been very much a shampoo girl, but I've been having a lot of issues with my shampoos lately. I don't know if you saw my K18 hair experiment. That's right here. But one thing that you'll see throughout that video is me just remarking as to how my shampoo just tangles up my hair and makes it feel awful. And if this actually cleanses, my scalp feels so amazing. And my hair feels clean and it's not tangled and it doesn't feel horrible. This actually might be something I try out for the next 4 to 6 weeks if it's gonna help my hair really detox. It feels really, really good. Wow. Soultanicals never ceases to amaze me. Another experiment gone right. The Master Hair Cleanse Curl Detox is an absolute yes. Oh my god, Soultanicals, what are you guys doing to me? Seriously. Oh, I even forgot to wear jewelry. It's all good. We're focusing on my hair and it feels incredible. This is a yes. This is a yes. I am having a good wash day. I was dragging my feet as to washing my hair today. I just was not in the mood. So I'm glad I did and I'm looking forward to continuing. So stay tuned for the next video to see what other Soultanicals product is in the lineup. And I'm going to continue with my wash day because it's getting late and I'm dripping all over the place. If you've tried this, let me know. And is there any other cleanser that you prefer of Soultanicals over this one? Or what other shampoo would you recommend? I haven't tried their shampoos, but after this, I'm really curious because I'm actually in the market for a new shampoo. I'm not doing well with any of my shampoos. And I just thought I don't really care about shampoos, but I really need to start caring about my shampoos. So if there's anything where you recommend, preferably cruelty-free, preferably Soultanicals, let me know. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you liked this video, please hit like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell to stay tuned for more, and see you in the next one. Ciao for now.